Today we will see if we want to clean the refrigerator and maintain it hygienically, so how we can do it. It is very essential to keep our refrigerator hygienic. First of all, switch off the power supply and remove the plug from the electrical socket. Remove all the things from the refrigerator, from the freezer compartment. Remove all the shelves. These shelves can be easily removed. Remove all the stuff kept in the refrigerator and make it empty. One by one, remove and keep it aside. Remove the things from the chilled case. Remove vegetable tray, fruit basket. Remove all the door shelves from the refrigerator compartment. Remove chilled case. As you have seen, it is very stained. Remove the main shelves and glass cover. So now refrigerator is empty. Take some lukewarm water in a bowl, put some sodium bicarbonate edible soda in it. It is a deodorant. Take a piece of cotton cloth, wipe all the sides of the freezer compartment, door shelves, door panel and gasket. Remove the gasket from the freezer door. It can be easily removed by pulling. Pull it gently to prevent magnet not to be break. Remove the refrigerator door gasket also and put it at the side of the refrigerator. Clean refrigerator portion and now take another cotton piece and wipe all the compartment, door panel, shelf area, and now take the gasket, clean it. To prevent the cockroaches to enter in the freezer and refrigerator compartment, take this clove oil. It is available with any medical shop. Put it on the piece of cotton. And put it on the gasket as well as on the door panel slot where the gasket is going to be fixed. Now fix the freezer door gasket as we have removed. Put clove oil on the refrigerator door gasket. Put it on the slot as removed. Now wash all the shelves under the fresh water. We can apply dish detergent on the glass as well as on the shelves. Drain all the water, keep aside. Wash all the shelves, freezer shelf, ice shelf, ice trays. Door shelves. then fruit basket. So now all these shelves are ready to refix, replace from where these shelves are removed. Insert the vegetable glass cover on the slot, put vegetable basket, main shelves, put all the stuff, fruits in the fruit basket. Wipe with the cotton cloth and put it in the basket. All the vegetables. Coriander leaves can be kept in the soak cotton cloth. It will last for longer because moisture will retain in it. So now we have placed all the things, and now don't forget to switch on the refrigerator. Insert the plug in the electrical socket and switch on the refrigerator. So look how we can clean the refrigerator and maintain the refrigerator in hygienic condition. So in the freezer compartment we have one control here. This control, if we have more load in the freezer like ice cream or very low temperature stuff to be kept in the freezer, then we can move it to freezer maximum, otherwise put it on normal. And if the high load in the refrigerator, we can switch over to the refrigerator maximum, put it on the normal. We have another setting here. Here we can put it into the middle for the normal temperature in the refrigerator. So it is very easy to maintain our refrigerator in hygienic condition, and by putting clove oil on the freezer door and the refrigerator door gasket, no cockroach will enter by the smell of the clove oil. So hope now you will be able to clean and maintain your refrigerator